This crate is scanned and ready for transport.
Make sure the inventory matches the manifest before it goes inside.
Our state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of pomegranates an hour, utilizing laser scanners and robotic arms to guarantee only the finest fruit.
The clarity is perfect at this stage.
The new membrane filters are definitely improving efficiency.
We have a spike on the main gauge here.
Reroute the flow through auxiliary pump 3 now.
Throughput is up 20% this quarter. The new palletizers are definitely paying off. Reroute pallet 7 Ango to dock 3, expedite.
Acknowledged. Priority override initiated. All systems green on the juice pallets. Bay 4 requesting status update.
Brakes checked. Refrigeration unit is good to go. Temperature steady.
All right, your total is $32. Great, I'll use my card. And here's your receipt.
Keep an eye on the pomegranate bottles. The sorter is having trouble with the dark red labels.
The upstream anaerobic reactor is performing optimally today. Yes, the methane capture is exceeding targets.
All units, optimize flow to dock 4. We are on schedule for the premium juice export.